Hello and welcome. Guess what does a politician in power aspire most? Don't be cynical, it's not necessarily money. Politicians launch policies, schemes, they play the caste and the community card, they offer sops to voters. All that they do to get back to power yet again. And to come back to power, they need policies, perhaps political trump cards, which are game changers. After the men from the Mauryan dynasty, India's first serious road builder was Shesha Suri, the man behind the Grand Trunk Road. Nitin Gadkari, the surface transport minister, our today's game changer, is trying to do a Shesha Suri. We fly to Guwahati from Delhi over thousands of kilometers of land without proper roads. The task for the minister seems equivalent to climbing Everest without oxygen, but he makes it sound like a cakewalk.
At the time when taken charge as a minister, there was 304 project, was cost of 3,85,000 crores. This is a stall project. But the government has taken 21 decisions in the cabinet. And at the same time, there was committee appointed by a prime minister, where the environment minister, the railway minister is the member of the committee, and by which we have cleared the projects. We solved the problem. We solved the problem of land acquisition. And today, our stall project number is only 11 and cost is 20,000. When we will complete 26 May, 2 years, at that time, we will at least finalize the contracts more than 2 lakhs crore. And next 26 May to next 26 May, this 1 year, my target is for 3 lakh crores. So before completing the 3 years of this government, it's my target. I don't know whether I will succeed or not, but to complete 5 lakh crores of road contract.
You are saying that there is no problem of money. Just 2 years back we heard that this sector had virtually collapsed. All the build, operate, transfer projects which were given in road sector, virtually almost every 37 or 40% was stalled. Most of the contractors or the concessionaires were running in huge losses. What has happened in this period of 2 years?
We have 55,000 crores budget from the finance ministry. We have 70,000 crores we can raise tax exempted bond. We have, our total income is 10,000 crore. It is increased every year by 1,000, 1,500 or 2,000 crore. So I can securitize that money, I will get 1,50,000 crore. Then 101 projects which are already ready with me, I can securitize that project by which we can get more than 1 lakh crores. So a lot of foreign investors are also ready. And now we have introduced the hybrid model. The cost, 40% of the cost of the project is given by the government as a grant in aid.
And then in annuity?
Then annuity basis we will collect the toll. And with bank interest plus 3% profit, we will give him annuity basis. Total risk is with the government.
But there is a lot of pressure on you to remove the toll taxes, toll charges. In Maharashtra, your own state, the Chief Minister is under tremendous pressure to do that.
I will tell you frankly and fairly. If you want good services, you have to pay for it. So, on this issue, I don't want to give.
What do you tell Mr. Fadnavis, who is under pressure to remove toll taxes?
Actually, without that, they cannot construct the road, because government has already a lot of constraints in the budget. It is difficult for government to construct the road. When the cost of the project is less than 100 crores, we already have closed that. And out of 56 toll, already we have closed down. From Delhi to Mumbai, there are 18 tolls. And every toll you have to give 10 minutes for that. It is 3 hours, 180 minutes. Now we have started this fast track. That just like a mobile phone, you charge your sticker. That e-sticker is there on your truck or car.
The radio frequency.
Yes, that way you can do it.
All India, one card.
One card.
And by when that is happening?
Before April end, 380 toll will convert it into fast track.
You mean to say I can buy one RF tag, radio frequency tag, and I can travel from here to Bombay?
Anywhere. Even I am offering that my platform to all state government who are charging toll, and they also can use it there.
At Guwahati, he changes from a jet to a chopper. His staff briefs him on the specific projects started in each region he will be campaigning in. Local leaders provide details on the progress and bottlenecks. Sure that work on roads has begun, he makes a poll promise: better roads.
मैंने आसाम और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए के रोड मंजूर किए हैं। 40,000 करोड़ के रोड आसाम में काम शुरू किए हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी का इंजन, सोनवाल का इंजन, डबल इंजन लग जाएगा और आपके क्षेत्र में हर गांव को मजबूत रोड से जोड़ा जाएगा। ये विश्वास देने के लिए मैं आपके पास आया।
Roads in the northeast, neglected for 68 years, probably have more potholes than on the surface of moon. As he drives out, he finds crowds still heading towards the rally ground.
ये लोग बहुत 150 किलोमीटर मेघालय बॉर्डर से आने पड़ता है, तो 150 किलोमीटर रोड कम्युनिकेशन भी ठीक नहीं है और टाइम भी लग जाए। हिली एरिया है, इसीलिए टाइम पर हम लोग आने नहीं सकते।
So he is forced to fly to another rally close by. Repeats the promise of roads, as the feedback from the local party men is roads are a poll issue.
हम उनसे चाहते हैं कि रास्ता ठीक हो जाए। रास्ता जैसे राजस्थान का राजमार्ग है, जैसे महाराष्ट्र का रास्ता है, वैसे हमारे लिए भी यहाँ रास्ता बना दिया जाए ताकि लोगों का विकास हो।
From the helicopter, he cites a highway upgrade project he had initiated. The local MP informs there are few bottlenecks.
Do you think that your work may well decide the fate of this government in 2019?
In India, we have 52 lakh kilometer of road length, out of which when I taken charge as minister, it was 96,000 kilometer national highway, and 40% of the national traffic on this 2% road. And every year, our country facing 5 lakhs accidents and 1,50,000 deaths. So we have taken a conscious decision to increase national highway from 96,000 kilometer to 2 lakh kilometer, by which 80% of national traffic will be on national highway.
His rivals say most of the statistics he belts out is stuck on paper, that his 30-kilometer a day target is exaggerated. He admits touching targets won't be easy.
सड़कें बनाई, 6,000 किलोमीटर सड़क हुआ करती थी असम में 15 साल पहले, आज 24,000 किलोमीटर है। 4 गुना ज्यादा सरकारें बनाई, सड़कें बनाई।
Actually, at a time when I taken charge as the minister, it comes to 2 kilometers per day. Today it is 20 kilometers a day. My target is before 26 May is 30 kilometers. I don't know, but probably it will be difficult for me to achieve that target. We will go somewhere 24, 25 something. I don't know. After 26, it will be decided.